I'm Stephanie with WTI, and Bella and Lynn's travel portable shoes are going to be your best friends this summer. So these have been my go-to when I travel. I like to have some nice comfy ones that I can walk around in the plane or the train, or when I have on strappy, really cute heels, but they kind of dig into my feet. I love to have these as some nice go-to easy flats, and that way I can get down and dance and be not worrying about my feet throbbing all night. And it has this cool feature where the bag that it comes to opens up into a larger bag, so then you can put the other shoes that you were wearing into the bag so you don't lose track of them. It's also a really compact design, so it's a nice small little pouch and they fit the shoes just fine. But after each use, I recommend cleaning them, and that's what I do with just like a little wipe. And you see like how much yuckiness gets on that wipe, but they clean really easily, which I appreciate. They're also nice and stretchy, so they fit a range of shoe sizes. So I got the 9-10. I'm normally a 10, but these fit me just fine with no problem. And then they fold back, so you can put them back inside the little bag, and then you can always have them on you for when you need them. So do something nice for your feet this summer and get yourself these Bella and Lynn's portable shoes. But that's just my point of view.